The past 12 months in robotics have been revolutionary, with major advancements that border on unsettling. From sophisticated humanoid robots to brain-computer interfaces, the industry has made remarkable strides. Let me walk you through these developments chronologically from July 2023 to now. Engineered Arts created Ameca, a groundbreaking humanoid robot that talks, mimics human expressions, and even creates art. With 24 motors in its face and advanced dexterity, it can perform tasks requiring precision like drawing portraits, landscapes, and abstract art using JANs, style transfer, inverse kinematics, and PID controllers. Ameca doesn't have a specific gender or race and features a gray rubber face and hands with impressive movement capabilities. OpenAI, known for ChatGPT, unveiled Neo, their first physical robot resembling a futuristic astronaut. Powered by systems like GPT-4, DALL-E, Codex, and Clip, Neo can learn, understand commands, and create images or code. It has customizable parts that can be swapped based on tasks and can interact wirelessly through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Neo represents OpenAI's vision for artificial general intelligence, or AGI. China has become a leader in creating human-like AI robots. X-Robot specializes in robots with real-time facial replication, using movable electric units to simulate different muscles and expressions. Other notable developments include barista robots creating latte art humanoid robots that play basketball and dance YuYu, a panda robot by UBC that can fetch drinks from the fridge, and Cloud Ginger by Data Robotics that performs traditional Chinese dances and communicates in multiple languages. These robots are finding roles in schools, hotels, and elderly care facilities. J. Kim created Leica, an AI-powered robot dog designed for space travel and human interaction. Named after the first animal to orbit Earth in 1957, Leica features realistic design with three-dimensional printing, soft materials, fur, whiskers, and a titanium skeleton. It's equipped with depth cameras, thermal imaging microphones, speakers, and touch sensors. Leica can monitor astronauts' health using ECG sensors, assist with tasks, and works with special mixed reality glasses that display holograms and information overlays. LG created a foot-tall robot designed as a moving smart home hub to make home life easier. This two-legged robot can patrol homes, monitor conditions, connect with smart devices, and respond to residents' moods by playing appropriate music. Founded by former OpenAI researchers, Covariant is applying AI technology similar to ChatGPT to create robots that operate effectively in physical environments. Their robots can understand English commands and learn from both digital data and sensory input. With $222 million in funding, Covariant focuses on software development for warehouse and distribution center robots, enabling them to identify and manipulate objects they haven't encountered before. Elon Musk's Neuralink demonstrated its brain chip technology with 29-year-old Nolan Arbaugh, who became paralyzed below the shoulders after a diving accident. The implant allows him to control a computer cursor using only his thoughts, enabling him to play online chess and other games like Civilization VI. While the technology is still developing and faces occasional connectivity issues, it represents a significant advancement in brain-computer interfaces and offers hope for people with paralysis or mobility limitations. While Arbaugh's life has significantly improved, there are still challenges as this technology is in its early stages. The Neuralink brain implant represents a major advancement in brain-computer interfaces, offering hope to those with paralysis or severe mobility limitations. Arbaugh explains that despite occasional connectivity issues and the learning curve associated with the technology, the ability to control digital devices through thought alone has been transformative for his daily life. This demonstration marks a crucial milestone in Neuralink's journey to develop accessible brain-computer interfaces that could eventually help millions of people with disabilities. Elon Musk envisions this technology expanding beyond medical applications to potentially enhance human capabilities in the future, though many ethical and safety considerations remain. Scientists and medical professionals continue to monitor the long-term effects and stability of the implant, while regulatory bodies carefully evaluate each stage of development. The chest demonstration showcases not just technological achievement, but also represents new possibilities for human-computer interaction that seemed like science fiction just years ago. As Neuralink continues refining its technology, the line between human thought and digital action grows increasingly seamless, pointing toward a future where our minds may directly interface with the digital world around us. The future is now. Robotics 2023 to 2024.